How are you?
I'm pretty good, mate. They're a bit different from last time I saw you. We're in cycling clothes this time.
Yeah, and we're not drunk.
Not yet.
Chris. You might recognise Chris from previous episodes like Rad Race Tour de France 3. Just out for a ride in Surrey, which is a bit different for him because he's from Walthamstow, which is the land of flat roads.
And also not really a road cyclist.
Yeah. When was the last time you rode that?
Dog years or human years? I've stayed here lots of times though.
Yeah, well it looks nice. Yeah. Why wouldn't you? It was supposed to chuck it down today and the sun's come out, so happy days.
Yeah, what are you wearing? I'm wearing rain jackets, undergarments.
Yeah, I'm wearing full winter.
Yeah, me too.
Full winter except for my hands. Just riding down this lane and the guy goes, turn around, it's flooded. So we carried on. I reckon that's alright, you know. It's not that bad. It's not that deep. It happens all the time.
Okay, right, we're watching again.
Yeah. My shoes are a bit wet now.
My feet are ice cold now.
It's good for you. Did the guys behind us come through? No.
No. You know, because we've got like ceramic bottom brackets and stuff, so why not put them through the water?
Yeah, test them.
Test them, yeah.
How deep is it?
You should be alright.
Not as bad as the first one.
No, definitely not. That hurts. Disadvantage of having a split down tube. So the mud's just gone everywhere. Need some duct tape. Extra aero, extra stiff, extra wet. Skill? Accidentally vegan though, so perfect for me. What do you think of Aero Cross? It's the new cross.
I've only had this bike like 3 days and it's been through some shit.
I think you should just give it back in this condition.
Well, with no cleaning.
With no cleaning.
So we've ridden through 2 rivers. Haven't really had much actual rain, which is good. But we've had to stop 5 minutes away from the end of our ride.
I can't help it.
Too much city riding. Essex is easy. I went there once, it's just flat.
It is, pretty much flat. Yeah. The only way is flat Essex. You're on the telly.
You see yourself?
Yeah. Oh, weird.
You look good.
Thanks, mate.
I like your shirt. It looks like an ice cream.
I love it when the rain starts when you've stopped cycling, so it could have been worse. We could be out in this right now. That pack of Skittles got me here that for the last 5 minutes. I would have died, yeah.
You reckon?
Oh,
it's quite hilly.
Yeah. Right, man.
There's the rain. Well, we were lucky to get out when we did because it might look nice and bright in here, but it's not. The big lights on. Outside is miserable. Took a while to get this nice and clean again, but good to give it a test, even if it was through rivers. Now I know it's only been 2 rides on that thing, but I think I like it more than my Zero SLR. And that's saying something because that's a good bike. It's not as light and it's not supposed to be, but there's something about the ride quality that just feels good. Now they do actually take the same wheels. At the moment I'm running shallower ones on the Volante and winter tyres as well, so I need to switch over the whole wheel set from my Zero and give them a test on that bike to actually make it fair. So I'm going to do that over the next few days and hopefully ride the bike in the dry. I wanted to sign today's video off with a call to action. Go down in that description, hit the link to Lawrence's channel, his video interview with Giro d'Italia winner and our friend Theo Gegenhardt is now live. It's 15 minutes long. He asked some really good questions, so set aside the time and subscribe to Lawrence's channel while you're at it. As always, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate you guys tuning in every day, and I hope these small videos entertain you and make lockdown slightly more bearable. Please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys soon.